Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I will continue where I left off in the previous lesson and make some adjustments to the interesting lip sync we recorded. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is that after I recorded, I created this voice clip. You see, let me zoom out in the timeline, and then this was created. We clicked here, and then I recorded my voice, and that added this clip. Now, what if I play this?
Hey, who took my beer? Whoever it was.
What if you want to adjust the lip sync? Well, you can do that very, very easily. All you have to do is expand the voice clip. Okay? You see this little arrow? That means you can expand it. If I click there, boom, that shows me the audio, okay? And it shows me all the phonemes. All of those are keyframes. But the cool thing here is that we have the keyframe and we are also seeing the phoneme here, okay? This is super, super easy to manage. I'm gonna zoom in. Let me make this bigger. And I'm gonna zoom into the face. So if you want to adjust the lip sync, all you have to do is double click, for example, TH. If I double click, I will open, double clicking on any of the keyframes will open this big interface. Very, very cool interface, the lips editor. And all you have to do is click on any of the phonemes. And this is super, super duper cool because you have a visual representation. So it makes your life super easier. So for example, right now it's TH, but if I want, I can change it to A. And if I want, I can move it around and then select this one and then use an O, okay, like this.
Hey, who took my beer?
And then he says beer.
Took my
Maybe I want this to happen a little bit sooner.
beer.
B. I want this to happen sooner. I want, for example, in here, I can delete keyframes. I can select this one and delete it. And that will keep this. When you have a keyframe here, like here, that phoneme will be maintained until another phoneme enters, okay? For example, in here, I will have TH all the time until this keyframe shows up, okay?
Beer.
And I want here to keep the mouth open, so I can just delete the M.
Beer.
There.
Who took my beer?
You see? And so you can do little adjustments here and there. So this is super duper duper cool. This is what I love about this. It's very easy, it's very intuitive, and all of this is being played in fast forward, and this is it. Let me play it to see the improvements.
Hey, who took my beer? Whoever it was, it's not funny, okay?
Very good. Now it's in perfect sync. And that's how you do it. Remember, you select, let me give you a quick recap. I'm going to close everything. You select your character, select face, then go to voice clip, expand it, and then you have the audio. And to bring up the console of the lip sync, all you have to do is double click on any of the phonemes, or you can add one on an empty space, double click, and then you can add a new one right there, okay? Okay, great. That's it for this lesson. Now, in the next one, we will be starting with the next module, in which we will learn some little advanced tips for animation, starting with a tutorial on how to grab and throw objects. See you there.